In today's video, I'll show you how to clone a Bitbucket repository. First, open your browser and go to the official Bitbucket website. Then, log in to your account. On the home page, select the repository you want to clone and click the clone button at the top right. Copy the clone command, choosing either SSH or HTTPS. If you're using SSH, make sure your public key is added to Bitbucket and loaded on your local system. Open a terminal and navigate to the folder where you want to store the repository. Paste the clone command and run it. HTTPS. Git Credential Manager may prompt you to log in to Bitbucket and authorize the connection. SSH. Once successful, a new folder will appear in your chosen directory, named after the repository. It contains all files and Git metadata to track changes. You can also clone repositories using source tree or VS Code. For detailed instructions, check Bitbucket's official guide, Clone a Git Repository. And that's it! That's how you clone a repository from Bitbucket.